I'm Julie, of course.
And we're Bethany and Julie. Now this week, well actually today, we're going to do a very nice segment that we're really good at. It's called Coughing Boys' Names. Now, if you really want to know to tell a guy that you like him,
You gotta kind of go like this. So say, so there's some hot guys from our town.
okay, this way. See what we're good at? All you gotta do is cough really fast and then say the name while you're coughing.
But I don't really cough because that's kind of gross.
Okay. Jason, please.
Colin Hall.
How many like him? Okay, anyway, try it. Send us a video.
It's easy.
Just do it. Bye. Love you.